Hadley.
Spaceport. Good work, buddy.
Hadley. Do it. She's like, no. Hadley. Nolan, that's not helping. Hadley.
I just saw it. You mean that's Hyperdrive?